Now these birds are found in the woodlands and forests of northern and central South America. And there you go, folks. Our show is officially started. So how about a round of applause for Bandit? So hello everyone, mayong udto sa tanan. I am Mary, your host for today, and welcome to Cebu Ocean Park Amphitheater. Now our next set of birds are just like any best friends. But sometimes best friends can be competitive, right? So let's meet Blue and Azul. And so today they will battle over who's the best in a basketball game. Now this right here is Blue and that is Azul. So before we start this friendly battle, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups. Now all the boys will cheer for Blue. Come on boys, let me hear you cheer. Go Blue! Go Blue! Go Blue! And all the girls will cheer for Azul. Come on girls, let me hear you cheer. Go Azul! Go Azul! Now are you ready for the basketball game? Mahina mag-energy. Are you ready for the basketball game? Alright, birds ready, trainers ready, set, go! Let's go Blue, let's go Azul. Now first ball for Azul. Followed by Blue and another ball for Blue. Where's that last ball? Blue is this game. That's alright, Azul. So trainer Catherine, you lost this game. What can you say?
Oh, the trainer Ricardo, we want another race.
Oh, she wants another race.
Are you sure about that? You want Azul to lose again?
Bye.
So this time I guarantee you Azul and I will win.
So what race you have in mind?
Let's do a ring race. So the mechanics of this game is the first bird, you can drop all 3 rings into the pool. The fastest is the winner. And that is a ring race.
So ring races shall be the remember boys already got 1 point, so let's cheer louder for Azul to win this time. Now are you ready for the second game? Alright, birds ready, trainers ready, set, go! Let's go Azul now, first ring for Blue. Another ring, and hey, what's this? Azul picks up 3 rings at the same time. What a clever technique from Azul. So trainer Cardo, did you see that? 3 rings at the same time. What can you say?
What was that, Mayor Catherine? You guys cheated.
Oh, did you guys really cheat?
No, we didn't cheat. Azul just used her brain.
So how about a round of applause for Blue and Azul? Now this time, I'll need an adult volunteer with a money bill. So who wants to volunteer? Please raise your hand and I'll choose you. I need adult volunteers. So sorry kids, I need adult. So pataas ang kamot, di maulaw. I need adult volunteer. Ikaw ma'am, naka-pink. And please bring with you a money bill ma'am. Any bill, basta paper bill. So 20, 50, or 100. Thus, notice all of our birds in the show are parrots. That is because parrots are highly intelligent, charismatic, and physically inclined. So hello ma'am, good afternoon. Please stand right here. So face the table and extend your left arm sideways. No matter what happened, ma'am, please not swing or move your arm. Now let's call in our money bird, Blue. Now Blue flies over, grabs the money. What's next, Blue? What's next, Blue? Now Blue flies back to the table, and I guess Blue wants to. There you go, donate your money. So ma'am, okay na mo, i-donate ni Blue yung money. Okay na kayo! As in, so okay na habang another round. So 500 na po. Joke lang ito, ma'am. It's all part of the show. Wait lang, ma'am. So before you go back to your seat, you'll have a photo op with our lovely bird for souvenir. So please stand right there and follow our trainer's instructions. So pictures sa daw mo ni Bluma. Now smile and pose with our money bird blue. Okay, so here's your money bag, ma'am. Please follow our photographer and he'll give you a printed copy for free. So how about our round of applause for our volunteer and our money bird blue. So now up next. And a solid shade of yellow on its ear, wings, and belly. So its eyes and beak are solid black. So its scientific name is Ara Ararauna. Now here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have pink and gold macaws. So we have Goldie up there and Cebu and Azul earlier in a basketball game. So later, na night segment si Goldie. So kung si Bandit mo high, si Goldie mo flex yung wings. Next your wings, Goldie. Now, macaws can live up to 60 to 70 years old. And now, lastly, did you know that parrots are monogamous? Meaning they only have one partner for their entire lifetime. And so that is it for different kinds of parrots here in Cebu Ocean Park. We have our green-winged macaw Bandit and our blue and gold macaw Goldie. Now, parrots in particular are known to be intelligent and perceptive. That is why we continue to enhance their skills so that they won't get bored. Now, let's go Bandit once again. It is going to show us how to put the shapes back to their correct slots. Let's go Bandit. Now, even though this is inner behavior, Bandit has to get the shapes back to their correct spots. And that is possible with his perception, memory, and intelligence. So in the wild, it's his skill to find food, shelter, and a good place to nest. Let's shape Bandit. And there you go, and tell your right. How about a round of applause for Bandit? Now we have here an object with me, which is a ball, and I will hide this under one of these 3 silver cups. Witty. Walay sulod na itong mga cups. Now, where do you want me to put this object? On your left, right, or in the middle? Okay, let's put it right here. So now let's call in our psychic bird, Goldie. So now do you think Goldie can find our hidden object? Let me hear you cheer. You can do it, Goldie. Okay, Goldie find our hidden object. Now Goldie's searching using her psychic powers. And she found it. So how about a round of applause for Goldie? So earlier we have shown you our different kinds of parrots. Now let me introduce to you to our cockatoos. Now there are currently 21 living species across the globe, but here in Cebu Ocean Park we have 3. So we have our silver-crested cockatoo Wiggy, our Moluccan cockatoo Snow, and our umbrella cockatoo Nigel. Now once again, if our birds and trainers will roam around you, please do not try to reach or touch the feathers of our birds. So now let's call in Wiggy, Nigel, and Snow.
Sa mga ngalan na. Sa mga ngalan na.
So we train our captain is Snow.
Dapat sila pa pala.
First with me is our silver-crested cockatoo Wiggy. Now these birds prefer their habitats along the edges of subtropical and tropical rainforest. Now they are primarily white with black beaks, with a distinctive silver-yellow crest, so this is their crest, and a yellowish underside wing. So its scientific name is Nelfa'S ballerina. Now up next to trainer Mardo is our umbrella cockatoo Nigel, also known as the white cockatoo or the great white-crested cockatoo. Now these birds are distinguishable from other white cockatoos because of their woolly white crest, which raises up like an umbrella. So if walang crest ni Nigel, masakit na, mura na siyang umbrella ang forma. So its scientific name is Gabantua awa. Now we were to compare Wiggy right here and Nigel up there. So obviously Wiggy has a yellow crest, while Nigel has a pure white plumage. Now lastly up there with trainer Catherine is our Moluccan cockatoo Snow, also known as the salmon-crested cockatoo because of the pinkish white colored feathers. So these endemic bird can be found in the Cebu of eastern Indonesia. And they are classified as the largest of the white cockatoos. So its scientific name is Cockatoo molossensis. So in general, cockatoos mainly use their crest as a form of communication and indication of their mood, whether they're happy, threatened, or when in pain. Now as you notice, cockatoos can be loud and can mimic any sound. That is what we call a mimicry behavior. So sila ni ang mga birds nga magastorya. Now lastly for your lifespan, Wiggy right here and Nigel right there, they can live up to 40 years old. While our Moluccan cockatoo Snow and trainer Catherine can live up to 70 years old. And that is it for different kinds of cockatoos here in Cebu Ocean Park. We have our silver-crested cockatoo Wiggy, our Moluccan cockatoo Snow, and our umbrella cockatoo Nigel. Now our next featured bird will leave you baffled and amazed even as trainers. So before we go in our bird, I'll be asking two numbers between 1 to 20. So first number, and so what your number?
12. 12.
So second number?
12.
12. Our equation is 5 plus 12. So we all know the answer, right? But before we go in our math wizard, I'll be shuffling these numbers first. So now the numbers have been shuffled. Now let's call in our math wizards. No. Now once again, snow is our look and kabatu. So ang taga na nung times is snow si trainer Cardo mag-study. So 5 plus 12. Let's see if snow can solve. Okay, is snow already? Okay, snow solve the equation for us. Now snow picks up number 1. So is the first number correct? Rangayman sure is the first number correct? Yes, now snow. So second number is snow. And there you go. 5 plus 12 is 17. So how about a round of applause for our math wizards? No. Now our next set of birds are different from our colorful parrots and cockatoos. So they are called birds of prey or also known as raptors. Now raptor meaning to seize or to take by force. So they use their strong talons by seizing or impaling their prey. Now there are 446 types of raptors, but here in Cebu Ocean Park we have two. So we have our Brahmini kite and our Philippine serpent eagle. So now before we go in our raptors, I would like to ask everyone to please settle down, especially the kids, and no one shall pass the center stairs. So for the meantime, please stay clear of the center stairs. So wala sa mo ingkod or moagi sa center stairs. And if our bird fly over you, please do not try to reach or grab our bird. Once again, no one shall pass the center stairs. Now let's call in our Brahmini kite kingdom. Now Brahmini kites scientifically known as Haligastor indus. These lawins can be found in the Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, and Australia, where they are known as sea eagles. In the Philippines, they are known as Bandok or lawins in the Visayan region. Now, if familiar mo nga bird, pero siya ang bird na sa show ni Kuya Kim nga matang lawin. Now, as you notice, our trainers are using a glove that is what you call a falconry gauntlet. That is protect them from their sharp beaks and talons. So now up next is our Philippine serpent eagle, Freddy. Now Philippine serpent eagle, scientifically known as Pelornis philospilus. These endemic eagle can be found in the major islands of the Philippines. So mostly found in open woodlands and forests. Now get your cameras ready as Freddy will fly across the stage. So that is it for Philippine Serpent Eagle Freddy. Now just a fun fact, both Freddy and Kingdom were donated by the DNR last ECQ 2018. So they are nurse trained and fed, so they are considered as trained birds. Now lastly for our flying birds, please look to your left as we call in our homing pigeons. So matuyog po na itong homing pigeons, so magawa sila sa inyong right side. Now homing pigeons have a great homing ability, meaning they'll go back to its nest and mate. They have a special sense of perception wherein they can detect the Earth's magnetic field, allowing them to perceive direction, altitude, and location. And so how about a round of applause for our raptors and our homing pigeons? So here in Cebu Ocean Park, we believe there is hope. We're not trying to take care of our friends in the ocean, but also in the land and air as well. So who knows the 3 R's of proper waste disposal? It's to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Now let's call in once again our lovely bird that is going to show us how to properly dispose our waste. So sadly, a lot of animals today are struggling because of improper waste management and pollution. So always keep in mind to reduce waste, reuse plastics, and recycle everything you can. So see if Bandit can do it, then so can we. Now before I end the bird show, I would like to invite everyone to come down here on stage and take photos with our lovely birds. So you have a chance to hold our birds and take pictures with them. But pictures will only be taken by our official photographer right over there. Now ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of our bird show. Now I would like to acknowledge all the birds and trainers that made this show possible. We have Trainer Jinhan up there as our DJ. We have Trainer Garga with Bandit and Trainer Catherine with Snow. And along with other staff here in Cebu Ocean Park, I am very